On today's episode, I'm going to show you what not to do when you get started creating your online course. Okay, so if this is you, you're sitting behind your desk, you've got your book, stacks of papers, you're looking through all your content, and you start going, okay, I'm gonna put my course together. And you start writing out, and I got a great idea for a topic. I know this is exactly what I need to do. And you start writing and you start creating content and you start mapping out your course and writing out the modules. If that's you, or if you have tried to do that or started to do that, I want to stop you, like right now. Stop! That is not the way that you want to create an online course or any type of training program, but that feels like the right way to us, and that's what many of us do, and that's the difference between creating a course that maybe is what people want to buy, or it creates a course that you have to really sell on the back end and really try to convince people that it's what they need. The best way to decide which content to put into your course is to ask your ideal clients. So we don't want to go out there and create an amazing training program that we think is the right thing, even though that feels like exactly what we should do. We have a lot of experience, we have a lot of expertise in our profession, in our practice, in our coaching, and we know that this is what people, need in order to be successful with whatever it is that you do in your profession. However, our clients sometimes don't know what they don't know, and they don't feel that what you're bringing is what they need. So what we want to try to do here is meet your clients where they are in the process. So if we have a person who is an entrepreneur and they have a business, maybe they're a coach and they don't have enough clients. So they're sitting at home thinking, oh my gosh, I don't have enough money to pay my bills. I don't have enough clients. I need more money, cash flow, and clients in my business. That's what they know. That's their migraine problem. That's their top of mind problem. They need more, clients. They need more money. But you know, or you will know once you get to know this person, that they are just not getting out there. They're afraid to go to networking meetings. They're afraid to go online and do videos and Facebook Lives. They're afraid to put themselves out into the online world or go to their local, Chamber of Commerce or business meetings, and they're not getting out there enough because whatever, they've got some mindset issues. There's fear, there's, things that they're not good enough. So the real problem is that they're not getting up clients, even though that is the wrong problem. It is the problem, the bottom line. But the problem is them. They are afraid, or they are not making enough effort, or they're not doing the right thing, or not coming across as confident, so that clients don't want to hire them. So it's not that they need more clients, though it is. There's an underlying thing. And many times this is exactly what happens. That we think, oh, they just need to know about their mindset, or they just need to get clear and get clarity on things. And I promise you that your ideal students and clients are not sitting around going, oh, if only I just had more clarity. They're like, I need to lose weight, I need to save my marriage, I need to make more money. They're thinking what the absolute migraine problem is for them. And if you come in with a solution that starts talking about your process, getting clear on the steps and walking them through mindset issues, they may not recognize that as the problem that they have, even though it is. So what we want to do is go ask our clients exactly what they think the perceived problem is. So I hope you caught that. What the perceived problem is to them. Because if they're online Googling things and looking up stuff on how to get more clients in my business, that's what they're looking up. They're probably not looking up how to break through my money mindset so that I can attract more clients into my business. There may be some people that are, but I'm just using this as an example. They're looking on how to get more clients. So you need to come from where they are and the challenge that they think they're facing. It doesn't always work out this way. Sometimes, you know, they need to lose weight, and that is the bottom line. But again, what goes into losing weight? Is it, you know, there's mindset, you know, there's exercise regimen, there's healthy eating, there's, you know, shopping, there's, you know, this whole scheduling throughout the day, when to eat, how much to eat, the calories. There's a lot of things that go behind it. They just know they need to lose weight. They just need to know to get their pants back up zipped so they can wear their clothes, right? In those skinny jeans. So that's their problem. And then it's your job to find out what that problem is. And then your course becomes the solution to their biggest problem. Because if you come from a different place and they're thinking this and you're bringing this, you've missed the mark. And you're just not bringing the course that they think. Now, once they get into your course, you will deliver all of the things that they don't know they need to get them to the thing they want. So if it's the client it's the entrepreneur who needs more money, you are going to show them the steps to break through their mindset issues, to get themselves out into the world and start getting the clients that they need. But it's not just about getting more clients, right? There was something other than that. And that's many times what the clients don't understand. They don't know what they don't know. And that's your job and that's your brilliance. But we have to communicate that in a way and catch them where they are in the process. You know, there may be some people who go, I just feel like I don't have a good money mindset, you know, and that's fine. But most of them are not going to do that. So you've got to connect the dots for them. You've got to be the solution to their biggest migraine problem, the biggest thing that they're like, they have to fix this. So that's your job. When you are deciding to create content, it's not about sifting through all of your knowledge and looking through, you know, big stacks of all of your presentations, dissertations, and whatever else you might have on your computer or whatever stacked around your house. First, you need to go out to the market and find out exactly what it is that they think is their biggest problem, and then design a course around that. You'll still be bringing all of your brilliance and showing them the steps through the process, but you'll be meeting them at the right place. So do this step before you start creating your content, and you won't go wrong. You'll have a course that your clients are absolutely wanting to purchase because that's exactly what they want. And it'll be a lot easier to sell it on the back end than try to convince them that this is what they need when they're going, oh, but this is what I need over here. So I hope that makes sense. I'd love to hear your comments below. If any of you have created something without checking and it didn't go well, I'd love to hear how that went. Or if you're in the middle of creating something, let me know and you haven't checked. Or now that you've learned what you're going to do, put a little checked below so I'll know you're going to go out and you are going to check with your ideal clients and students before you start creating your content. So give me some love below, give me some comments as to where you are in the process, and I will see you on the next video. If you have if you need more information, check below. I have links to my masterclass. I also have a link to a workshop that I talked a little bit deeper into this and went with some examples. So click below to watch a little bit deeper into this whole process of me actually talking someone through it. All right, until next time.